Dear audience, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a graphic user interface, product, search, and refinement tool from this Excel file. In this Excel file, we have multiple products. This is one, this is another one. The type is a reflector, and some other different types of sensors. So let's draw some blueprint. Let's create an empty drawing. Call it a product selection tool. Let's save this drawing in our GitHub repository. Okay, save it here. We need to first add something. GitHub product selection tool, and create a new folder called drawing. Okay, save it here. The first thing is to read the XLSX file. I'll call it a Excel. Anyway, take a screenshot of this Excel icon to represent I'm reading Excel XLSX file. Okay, first this thing is read into a interpreter. I'll call it XLSX reader. This should produce a Python list, which is a 2D list, contains each row and each column of this spreadsheet. Make this word larger. And then we need to extract each item, each product. Extract each product. And then interpret each field. Let's go back to this one. For example, we need to identify the item type. Angular. This is a subclass. Group reflector. This is repeated, so we can ignore this one. Accessory family Angular. Okay. What we should ignore is this one. We only interpret those fields with a column mark in between. So that's much easier. We need to ignore those lines without column, but only keep those with column. Same here. Ignore, take this one. Take. Okay. Interpret with column in it. Interpret wrong. Interpret interpreted. Interpret without this P. Interpret cells with column in it. And then build a atom object. That this part is how to read information from this Excel file, and then we need to put this list into a table. That's done. This part is done. The next part is graphic user interface. Let's call the first part the data flow. For graphic user interface, we need to take some reference. Let's online shopping. Let's find some online shopping website. Amazon. For example, we want to buy a smartphone. Okay, we can refine based on price. Let's try up to 500, and we can refine based on brand. Anything else? Xiaomi. Okay, and we can also select operating system version. But if we do not select anything, we can just keep all of them which match the two conditions above. And the memory storage capacity, we want 512 and above. Okay, now we have refined to only two products, which is Xiaomi Poco M6. This process, search and refine, help us to locate the exact product we are looking for. What I'm trying to do is the same. First, we have a window. At the top is a title bar with name, product, selection, 2 in it. Maybe this in the middle. That's fine. And we also need, I think some libraries should already provide this. The close, maximize and minimize button. We don't need to worry about this part. The library should provide with us. Now, I like to divide this graphic user interface into 3 parts. Use a dividing line. The top part is very small. We don't need a large for this. What we need is a search button. Let's have this in blue. Search button at the right hand side, and some drop down list. You can select the type of product, and some other fields. First, we need to accessory group. What's the name of this one? Oh, for other tabs, we don't have an accessory group. That's annoying. We don't have a standard format for this product family. Inductive proximity sensor. Oh no, we have to use this as a first line. So let's have this drop down list. Call it a tab. Have a triangle to indicate it is a drop down list. Okay, tab and let's have 5 of them. What's the next one after tab? Tab and annoying, because different kind of product have different field. So let's just call it option. After selecting tab, this the content of this option, option 1, will change. Keep changing based on the option you selected in the previous drop-down list. How many should we have? I think 5 should be enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. Too many. We only need to pick up important ones. For example, like this sensing range and output, switching output, PMP, NPN, or pull push. Connection tab, LED visible light, potential meter, housing housing rectangle should be. Let's worry about this later. We need to find out what are important options in this step. Let's worry about it later. Let's have one more dividing line. Just copy this one. The part in the middle is a list, which is a refined list based on those options. Here we will have a title. Let's see, part number. Part number is this thing, this long thing. And what else can we put? Let's decide this later after carefully reading this product sheet. And we could have more. Here's a table. It will show as many items as possible, which is matched those searching conditions. And at the bottom is details. All details of the item. All the rest information will display in this all details. Okay, that's it. My design of graphic user interface. So let's use ChatGPT to quickly generate some example code we can modify based on the example. Generate a Python program using Tkinter, I think Tkinter, Tkinter. First, we have a window divided into 3 parts. Let's look at that drawing. Minimize this one first. Save this drawing. The top part shows 5 drop down menu and 1 button. Which does and fun based on the options selected in the down menus. When clicking the search button, refined will show in the middle part of the window. Once I window as a table, once I click one item in the table, more details of this will be shown at the bottom part of the window. Let's see what ChatGPT give me, what kind of a result it give me. Create a main window, 3 frames, 1 frame. Let's color this. Let's color those 3. I don't have a frame container. Okay. Show details. Search is unclick this button. tk root. Yeah, this is a root handle of this window. tkinter application. Geometry is the size of this window. Okay, it looks good. Let's have a try whether this satisfies our requirement. New the src. Let's open this with code. Terminal. Open this folder in VS Code. Okay, src. It's here. The main.py. Copy and paste those code in here. Ctrl G and see what happens. Python 3 main. Okay, it looks good. We only have one drop down list. Search. Yeah, search. We will have this table where there's nothing. Tuple index out of range. Crashed. Let's have a closer look. Happen again. Can't clear here. Oh, cellphone. Which line is this? Show details. Detail equals tree item values 3. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's ask ChatGPT to change the title to "10 items." Also need to there are 5 drop down menus. We can ask ChatGPT to refine our requirement. Tinker import TTK. What is TTK? Okay, copy. Go back to code. Let's close this window. Yeah, it looks better. We don't have a crash anymore. Unclick this, we can see the details, but only one sentence. Let's see why. Details of item 1. Yes, that's the case. Okay, we have multiple drop down lists. Where is the search? Search is here. Okay. We need to ask ChatGPT to make sure we can see all contents in the first frame. Just the window says to show contents of the frame. If the size is smaller, can we scroll? It seems we can't. Or even smaller? No. Scroll in the second frame. Can I copy and paste? No, just fine. generating this stuff. Search is a function of this the search button. It is bound to other functions. If I click this search, the contents below will be updated. But currently it seems no function. Copy and paste. Let's have a look. Okay, it looks much better. I can scroll. Yeah, I can scroll. Yeah. Currently, let's run it again. It makes sure we can always see this search button. Option 2. Currently, the search button do not have any function. Let's have a look why. Show details. Table. Where's the table? Tree. Tree is a table. Please update the table in the middle frame when I click. Search button. Before I button. Please refine table based on my in the drop down menus. Need to bind search. Let's see, do we actually have that bind? Middle heading binding bind. BIND. Yeah, we have a band. Tree view select show details. Show details. What is show details? Show details is this function. So where's the button? Command is search. Okay, this is search. So how many times it is invoked? So, oh, that's a issue. If this function is invoked here in the main function, before I pressing that search button, it will show by default. So that's a question. That's a problem. Let's have a try of this new code. Okay, by default, on startup, there's nothing in this table. Select an item to see details. I can select a category 1 and do a search. Yeah, category 1. If I select a category 2, it will be updated to category 2. What happens if I select a category 3 is there? It do nothing. It seems only the first drop-down menu have the correct function. So if I do not select anything, then press search, it should show all the items. Yeah, that's what I mean. Okay, for now, this graphic user interface is done. Let's color this in green, dark green. In the next video, we will have a look how to read this Excel spreadsheet and interpret those records into individual items and put those items into this table. Thanks for watching. See you next time.